Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So second class children, I'll teach a new lesson in grammar, that is one and many. So the name of the lesson is one and many. So open page number 15 in your grammar book. So in that page they have given two empty boxes. Okay. So in these empty boxes, in one box they have told to draw one flower, and in the other box they have told to draw flowers, more than one flower. Okay. So in one box we have to draw only one flower, and in the other box we have to draw more than one flower. It can be 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4 flowers, as many as you can draw. Okay. So regarding that, those pictures, they have asked some questions. What is the difference between the pictures in boxes 1 and 2? So what is the difference that you can tell in picture 1 and 2? So in one box there is single flower, and in another box there is more than one flower. Okay. So the picture in 1 has one flower, and the picture in box 2 has 2 or more flowers. So in one box there is only one flower, and in another box there is more than one flower. So when a noun names one thing, it is in singular form. So when a noun names one thing, only one thing, it is a singular form. And when a noun names more than one thing, it is a plural form. Okay. So here are some examples. Book, books. So the singular form is one book, and the plural form is more than one book. So what is this plural form? Books. We add s. Okay. So book, books. Girl, girls. Friend, friends. Boy, boys. So most of the nouns change to plural forms by adding s. So mostly to form a plural form, we simply add s in the last, in the ending, like van, vans, chair, chairs, table, tables, dog, dogs. Okay. So simply adding s, we get the plural form. Turn the page, children. Turn to page number 16. So add s to the form, to plural number of this noun. So we have to add only s to the given noun forms. Okay. To form to plural forms. First one, I'll write it on the board. Exercise B. Page 16. Cat, cats. Only add s in the ending. Lamp, lamps. Bag, bags. Pen, pens. Hop it up. Okay, moving on. Let's crack it on the same page, page 16. This is my bag. I have books in my bag. I also have a lunch box. There are sweets in it. In my bag there are crayons and pencils too. Formulation of plurals. You already know that we add s to a circle the nouns of plural form. So in this given paragraph we have to circle the plural noun forms. Okay. So I have, this is my bag. I have books in my bag. So books is a plural form. Circle it. Okay. I have a lunch box. There are sweets in it. So sweets is a plural form again. In my bag there are crayons and pencils. So circle crayons and pencils. Got it, children? We have to circle books, sweets, crayons and pencils. Next one. Formation of plurals. You already know that we add s to a noun in the singular number to change it to its plural form. Now let us learn a few more rules of changing nouns to the plural number. So there are some more rules in this lesson to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Okay. So what are those rules? Let's learn that. Nouns ending in s, x, sh and ch change to plural forms by adding es. Examples: bus, buses, box, boxes, bush, bushes, watch, watches. Okay, so the words ending with s, x, sh and ch, So to form a plural noun we add es. Like example, bus. The last ending word is s. So the plural form we write bus. Okay. Then box. So the word is ending with x. So in plural form we write box. Then bush. Bush. The last words are sh. So in plural form bush. Then watch. watch. The last words are ch. Again in the plural form watches. watches. Okay. So the words ending with s, x, sh and ch we add es in the plural forms. Got it, children? Then the next one, a vowel plus y. So the last ending words are a vowel and the last word is y. Vowels, what are vowels, you know na? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels and the remaining letters are consonants. You know na, children? So when a word ends with a vowel and a y, so what we add? We only add s. Okay. Like boys. B-O-Y. So O is a vowel and the last ending word is y. So we simply add s. And donkey. Again E is a vowel and y. So donkeys. Okay. Then when a noun ends with a consonant and y. So putting an I in place of y and adding es. So in place of y we add I and last we add es. Like in city. So city is a noun form. So in plural form we remove y and e, add I in its place. citi, yes, cities. Okay, got it, children? Then when a word ends with o, we add es. Like example, tomato, tomatoes. Okay. Potato, potatoes. And if the noun ends with f or fe, we put a v in place of f and add es again. So like in knife. So the word is ending with fe. So we remove the word f and we add v and es. Like knives and wives. Okay. So add es to the plural forms of these nouns. So you have to by heart this table. You have to learn this table properly. Okay, I have told you, I have made you understand, but to know properly you have to go through it. Okay. The exercise after this is add es to the form of plural numbers of these nouns. So they have given some nouns. So we have to add es and write the plural forms. So first word is dress. So dresses. Yes. Fox. Foxes. Dish. Dishes. Lunch. Lunches. Up it down, children. So moving on to the next exercise on page number 17, children, exercise C. We have to add s to the form a plural number of this nouns. So we have to add s. First one is toy. So toys. Only add s. Monkey, because the last word is wife. So you have to add only s. In this table they have told us, na? Only add s. Okay. Monkey. monkeys. Day, days. The next exercise, exercise D on the same page. So put I in the place of Y and add ES to form the plural forms of this noun. So these exercises are related to this table. Okay children, got it? So first one is lady. So the plural form of lady is ladies. In the place of Y we added I and ES. Second one, fly, flies. Third one, story, stories. Puppy, puppies. Copy it down children. So the next exercise, exercise E. Add ES to the plural number of these nouns. So the last ending word is O in all these words. So we have to only add ES. Okay? Exercise E. First word. Potato. Potatoes. ES. Second one, hero, heroes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. And the next exercise, exercise F. Copy this down children. Moving on to the next exercise, exercise 5. So put V in the place of F or FE and add ES to form the plural forms. So the first word is knife. So in place of F we write V. NKNIVES. Right children? Then second one is leaf. So the plural form is leaves. Third one, loaf. Loaves. And the fourth one is shelf. Shelves. Understood children? So copy this. Some nouns change spelling completely in their plural form. For example, so in some nouns they change their complete only we are writing the plural forms by adding es or ves like that. S. Okay. But in some nouns the spelling completely changes. For example, men, man, men. The spelling is men, men. Mouse, mice. Mice is the plural form of mouse. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. goose, geese, children, child, children. So write the plural numbers of the nouns shown in the pictures. Take the clues from the first letter. So they have given the picture of a mouse. So we write mouse, M-O-S-E, M-O-U-S-E. So they have only given the letter M. So we have to write M-O-U-S-E, mouse. And the second picture is of a feet. So children, I hope you understood this lesson till this now. Whatever I taught in this class, you remember and revise this. Revise all the exercises and complete all the exercises and post your pics. Okay, take care. Okay, bye.